Hello everybody, welcome to Algebra 1 release question number 45. It says members of a senior class held a car wash to raise funds for their senior prom. They charged $3 to wash a car. I think they could have got more than that, $3, but hey, so be it. They're being kind, I guess. And $5 to wash a pickup truck or sport utility vehicle. If they earned a total of $275 by washing a total of 75 vehicles, how many cars did they wash? This one is very similar to that quarters and dimes problem we did. I think that was just 2 questions ago. Yes, that was number 43 here. We're going to use a similar sort of methodology to figure this one out. So let's say we'll go with C equal to the number of cars washed. And we'll go with P is the number of pickups or there we go, pickups or SUVs, sport utility vehicles, washed. So P for pickups or SUVs, C for cars. If that's the case, then you can say, based on the information up here, it says a total of 75 vehicles were washed. So you could say that this would have to work out, that number of cars plus the number of pickups or SUVs would have to equal 75. And you'd also know that you got $3 for each car, so 3 times C plus 5 times the pickups or SUVs would have to equal the total amount of money that you got, $275. So we've got how many cars did they wash though? So might as well solve for C and not P. We could use substitution here. We could solve one of these for C or P and plug that in. But like 43, easier way is the linear combination way, where we're going to take one of these equations or both and multiply them by something. In this case, I'm just going to take one equation and change it. I'm not going to change this bottom one. So I want to change this top one so that the P cancels out, that the pickup trucks will cancel out. I just want to be left with C. Might as well solve for that first since that's what it asked for. So to get rid of the P, I could multiply everything by -5. If I multiply everything by -5 in this particular equation, the 5P will cancel out with what will become here a -5P. So this would be -5C minus 5P, and then if you've got 75 times -5, I know 70 times 5 would be 350, and I know 5 times 5 would be 25. If I put that together, I get 375. So I have minus 375 right here, since it's a negative times a positive. And then down here, 3C plus 5P equals 275. No change on that one. Putting these two things together, what happens? -5P cancels out with 5P. This will be 2C, negative 2C rather. This will be -100. If I divide both sides by -2, that's my answer. I've got C equals 50. So I have C, 50 cars. Now what would that mean in terms of pickup trucks? If I take this value, or this equation here, I combine it together with the fact that C was equal to 50, I should get what my P was. My P value was going to be, I've got C plus P, so my C I know is 50. So I plug in 50. I've got 50 plus P equals 75. Notice this one, just like the quarters and dimes one from 2 questions ago, they give you both of these. So you got 25 pickups and SUVs together. Notice they give you what I was saying before, what I meant to be more clear on there was they give you both 25 and 50 as a final answer over here. The one you want though is the number of cars that they washed. So C represents the number of cars that they washed. Number 45 then should be choice D.